friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a huge FabFitFun box today. Look at that cute box. Popsicles, you kidding me? Some might even be fudgesicles, I don't even know. Let's get into it. Description down below if you haven't tried FabFitFun before and you want to, as I adjust myself in my chair here. Description down below about it. It's a subscription service. Did I say subscription down below? Description down below. There's stuff down below. Look into it. You get it seasonally. So this is the summer box. I have our trusty rusty screwdriver here. I just put my lipstick on, so periodically I will be checking to see if I have it on my teeth, which I probably do. I'm trying to see, oh, we don't even need our trusty rusty screwdriver this time. It has little things on it to open it up. Let's see. Here's the there's my dog barking. Here's the FabFitFun magazine. They used to have all the options in here with like the different prices and stuff, but now I think it's just all on your app like it has been in the previous seasons, but it does have cool things in here about the products still and how to use them. It just doesn't give you all the prices and options like it used to. What's in your summer box? Well, we're gonna find out. All right, I got my phone pulled up with all the items. So first up is the Society 6 outdoor blanket worth $60. Dimensions 50 by 70, top handle and Velcro attachment for easy storage. Let's open her up. That's the opening music. I threw it on the ground. It's Velcroed. Ooh, okay. Oh God, I'm never gonna be able to Velcro this back up. I have to pay attention. I'm never gonna be able to. Okay, it looks like it's maybe folded. I kicked the camera. Maybe folded 5 times, and then they Velcro it. But it's really soft on this side, quilted, and then the other side is like that plastic. So I thought this would be nice by the pool, or like our nephew does t-ball. Could bring it to those games to sit on. It's really huge. It's actually really huge. So I'm kind of excited about this. I'm super excited. This is gonna live out by the pool for sure. This will be nice to walk on too, for our nephew and nieces to play on. I'm super excited about this. I'm never gonna be able to fold it back up though. For the next item, it is, again, I was thinking about the pool, the Lily Pulitzer Lounge Towel worth $47.95, 40 by 72 microfiber. Lily Pulitzer is female founded. The microfiber material is quick drying and soft, while the print adds a gorgeous aesthetic. It sure does. So I was thinking about the pool for this too. I keep hitting my tripod. Oh my God, it's super soft. So I thought this would be nice as well. I can't wait. We haven't opened the pool yet. It's like, I don't know, end of May as I'm filming this. So in the next couple of weeks we'll be opening up the pool. So look out for pool content. Not really, probably not very much. Next, I'm just going by the list on my phone here. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Do Not Age Time Defying Cream worth $132. Dr. Brandt's good stuff. Defy time with the Dr. Brandt cream that turns back the clock. This wrinkle smoothing formula promotes supple, more youthful skin. Well, time will tell, right? Am I right? It's a huge box. Huge box. So hopefully it lasts a while. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. That is a gorgeous bottle, actually. That's a huge cap. It's really pretty. I don't want to waste any of this if it's worth $132, but it smells good. It smells really good. That's a hefty bottle there. It's actually really heavy. But Dr. Brandt, apply on cleansed skin morning and night. Age-defying smoothing cream. Can I get this? Huge bottle. The product is probably not as big inside, but it's really impressive bottle, I gotta say. Gotta say it, so it was said. Fuel your skin daily with vital energy. Help the look of sagging skin, loss of volume and density, and wrinkles. After 1 day, start replenishing your skin with hydration. After 2 weeks, improve the look of sagging skin, smooth lines and wrinkles. After 1 month, give back youth and harmony to your face. Who doesn't want that? I'm wearing these huge earrings. They're very heavy, but I thought they were summery for the summery box. Summery. In summary, next, 1.7 fluid ounces. Next is the poolside water resistant pouch, worth $35. Take this water resistant pouch to the pool or the beach. Either way, it'll keep your essentials protected. I thought it would be nice for, again, by the poolside. To put my phone in, or whatever, you know, just being out by the pool. My dog walks on the pool deck. Sometimes she knocks things in. I thought it was cute. Nice tie-dye. Zipper. Inside's plastic. It has actually like a pouch, oh, this part's a zipper inside too, so it's extra protected. So that's kind of nice. That's cool. I could use that in Jamaica. If you haven't watched my Jamaica video, there's a link right there. And you can watch it. It was a great time. I put all my pics and videos to music. Poolside. Lipstick check. We're good. So that's 4 items so far. I believe you get 8 items in the box. It's never clear. The next one is the Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer, normal to dry skin, worth $69 for this bottle. Prices be crazy, man. But I think I've used this before. I'll take the plastic off. Real time. Dun, 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 dun. It's like a game to see how fast I can get it off in a panic. That's what she said. Okay. Ahava! Feels nice. Again, very summery because, you know, you're in the sun. You get suntan. Your skin gets dry. It starts to peel. I did peel after Jamaica. So, not bad. We use sunscreen a lot. My husband, Dusty, got burned real bad. He was all red. You'll see in the pictures and videos in my Jamaica video. Good stuff. It smells good too. It smells really good, actually. One of the things I didn't talk about, which below I think I put too, you can do add-ons to your box. You can shop their edit sales. This is when I get every box. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. It's like an enhancer to your box. You can pick things that you'll get every single box no matter what. And this is one I really like, so I got that. I don't know how much that is because it's an add-on. And then next is the Monroe Classique Watch and Sunburst Soleil Rose, worth $105. I don't have any watches, so I'm excited for this one. Sorry I had to take a break to cough. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Bubble wrap. Anyway, here's the watch. Sorry. You know, no one can resist bubble wrap. Are you kidding me? Ooh, it's nice. It's leather. It is leather. It's got that rose gold face. No actual numbers, so you just, you know, gotta be good at reading. You gotta be good at reading watch. Do kids do that nowadays? Strap on this timeless watch for its sophisticated look. Includes dust bag. Stainless steel case bag, metal frame, split genuine leather, female founded brand. So I like it. It's very neutral. I think it's very neutral. Let's put her on. There it is. The leather's a little stiff, so it's gotta round it out a little bit. But I think it's cute. Nice. Be nice for work. I like it. I like it. I don't know. And let's see. No, I pushed the wrong button. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Real time. Real time. The next is a mystery surprise. I don't think this is a mystery surprise, but this came in there too. It's a liquid IV. Sometimes they just throw random stuff in there. Next is the KO body scrubber. Okay. Okay, KO. Oh. I don't know how this works. Why does it have holes in it? Is it for your fingers like that? Maybe? It's a body scrubber. I don't know how much use I would get out of this just because I get the body buffers from Lingerie. Let's see. It doesn't tell me anything about it. So I just have to imagine that's what you do. You just maybe put your fingers through it and you scrub your body. I don't know. And then the last thing I picked is the Lasting Smiles Soy Candle in Sea Salt and Citrus, worth $45. I love citrus. I love citrus scent. Let's see. The top notes are grapefruit, sea salt, green, ozonic. The middle notes are gardenia, jasmine, and rose. The base is coconut, sandalwood, and driftwood vanilla. 6.87 ounces, up to 50 hours burn time. This should have been last. This was like the good thing. Well, everything is good. But to end on a candle, you can't even smell it. Well, you can't. I can. I can smell it as soon as I open the box, so I think it's going to be good. Let's see. It's smaller than I thought, that's what she said. Here's a candle. This smells really good. Lasting Smiles, Sea Salt and Citrus. Definitely smells citrusy. I really like it. It's almost a little banana-y too. Cause candle, it says. Shining light on causes that matter. So that's nice. Let's see if it says anything about that. Each Lasting Smiles Cause candle shines light on causes that matter and helps support and fund diverse causes caring for people and the planet. So that's really nice. Nice. Well, here, yeah, that's our box. I think that's everything. I didn't really do any add-ons this time. I don't think I did. No, I don't think I did. Or was that an add-on? Dang it, I did it again. Hang on. Okay, I did do an add-on this time, but it didn't come in the box. I was just chatting with like support because I'm like, usually it comes with it, I thought, but it's shipped separately. So I just got some, it's a trio of cocoa floss. I thought I'd try it. I think it's made with like coconut fibers potentially. I can't remember. So I'm gonna have that to look forward to as well. What a great day. This is really cool. I think that's really pretty. I really like the watch. I'm excited for the pool stuff. Now I want to open the pool. But yeah, if you guys want to try FabFitFun, I'll leave a referral link down below and you can try it. I have my R necklace again. I don't know if anyone noticed, but Rachel Reviews. Like this video if you like FabFitFun, if you like unboxings, if you like me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great summer so far, and I will see you next time.